Today, we're tackling something a lot of people face but don't often talk about: how to use AI before quitting your job.
Yeah, quitting a job is rarely calm or purely logical. It's usually loaded with frustration, burnout, feeling stuck. And in those moments, I can seem like a quick fix, right? People ask, should I quit? Or is it time to leave? And get instant logical answers.
But here's the thing: quitting isn't just logic, emotions run deep. If you jump straight to asking AI without thinking it through, I can just amplify what you're already feeling instead of helping.
That's why the TAJ framework is so useful. Thinking, asking, judging. It's a simple sequence to follow before big decisions like quitting. Most people skip the thinking and judging parts and go straight to asking AI for validation.
So, the first step, orientation or thinking, is about pinpointing the exact tension pushing you toward quitting. Is it workload, pay, leadership conflict, lack of growth, values mismatch, or exhaustion? And then, is the problem with your role, your manager, the organization, or maybe your life stage?
Naming the problem precisely is key. This is called the tension identifier. If you don't get clear on that, you risk just moving the same problem somewhere else.
Next is deep thinking with the outcome clarifier. Ask yourself what you want quitting to achieve: relief, respect, freedom, control, recognition. Many quit to escape discomfort, not to move towards something better. I can't tell the difference. You have to.
Once you've done that, you can carefully involve AI. But don't ask, should I quit? Instead, ask for alternatives to quitting, internal conversations you might need, or realistic risks to consider. AI is great at mapping options, spotting blind spots, and planning steps, but it shouldn't decide for you.
Quick question: why not just ask AI directly if it's time to quit?
Because that's often just confirmation bias. You've emotionally made the decision and want AI to justify it. TAJ helps break that cycle by forcing deeper thinking and judging.
Then, in the judging phase, you evaluate what you still value if nothing changes, and whether you'd regret leaving if the same problems followed you. Quitting swaps one uncertainty for another. I can simulate risks but can't weigh your emotions.
The last tool is the consequence ownership check. Finish this sentence. If I resign and this next move fails, I am still willing to own. If you can't say that calmly, you're still reacting, not judging.
So, before submitting your notice, follow these 5 steps. Write down the exact tension. Clarify the outcome you want. Ask AI for 3 alternatives to quitting. Evaluate financial, emotional, and relational trade-offs. And decide deliberately, not impulsively.
AI makes it easy to analyze job markets, salaries, and relocation impacts fast. But speed can create false urgency. Just because you can move fast doesn't mean you should. Responsibility and grounded judgment matter more than ever.
So, the takeaway? I can show exit paths, but it can't decide what burdens you're willing to carry. Think, ask, judge, in that order. Use AI as a tool for clarity, not a shortcut to escape.
Exactly. AI helped me see options, but the final decision was mine alone.
Thanks for listening. That's it for today.